In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, the clash between Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max has everyone on the edge of their seats. The year-old question of Android and iOS continues here as well. If you are looking for the latest and greatest phone out there, the search will almost certainly arrive at either the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra or the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Both come with big screens, the most advanced chips available, perfected camera systems, and a long-lasting battery life. This comprehensive comparison delves into every aspect, providing insights and everything you need to know to make an informed decision about the age-old question, Android or iOS. In the design arena, Samsung doesn't disappoint. The S24 Ultra boasts a sleek, ergonomic design with a blend of metal, glass and robust titanium. The seamless integration of the camera module adds a touch of sophistication. This design language carries on from the last generation, except for the curved display. Samsung finally got rid of the curves which they were known for. Other than this, the body is more compact than previous generations, which looks excellent. Moving to Apple, known for its aesthetic finesse, continues to impress with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The design language carries on here as well, with some interesting color choices. The iconic design, premium materials, and meticulous craftsmanship contribute to its undeniable charm. However, unlike the Ultra, the iPhone has much more rounded corners with the same weight distribution. Apart from that, all the ports and buttons are similar to their significant last generations. We all know that where both devices shine is their display, primarily manufactured by Samsung themselves, in both cases. Expect the same this time around. It will be hard to choose from, but let's try. The S24 Ultra features a cutting-edge display with vibrant colors and remarkable clarity. This 6.8 mega dynamic LTPO AMOLED display can reach up to 2000 nits at 120 Hz. The incorporation of the latest AMOLED technology ensures an immersive visual experience. Add the smooth 120 Hz, it will be hard to look away. But how close will the iPhone be, since they both share the same display underneath? Well, Apple's mastery of display technology shines through with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Super Retina XDR display provides deep blacks, striking contrasts, and an overall visual feast. Both phones support a high resolution, but the Galaxy should be just a bit sharper with a 1440p resolution. Both also support 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, which can go down to just 1 Hz. Moving on to performance. When it comes to performance, the battle is getting heated and both these devices pack a punch. The S24 Ultra with its powerhouse processor promises seamless multitasking, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max's A-series chip sets benchmarks in the industry. Well, for Samsung to make the performance more visible and take the lead, they formed a unique partnership with Qualcomm to provide them with an exclusive version of 8 General 3 processors, only fine-tuned for Galaxy. This will see changes in results in their own AI universe while answering to the ever-suffering Snapdragon throttling saga. On the other hand, Apple's A-series chip continues to set benchmarks in the industry. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's processing power ensures lag-free performance, setting the stage for unparalleled user experience. Apple's new A17 Pro chip, the world's first based on a 3nm process, has not quite lived up to the huge hype. Just a small headache, as Samsung might go back to offering different versions of the Galaxy S24, as they are back with Exynos. Curious about how these flagship devices stack up against each other, under and away from the light? Let's dive into a head-to-head comparison. Both smartphones showcase exceptional camera capabilities, but the approach differs. The Galaxy S24 Ultra sticks with 4 cameras on the back, but makes some significant changes to one of them, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max features 3 cameras on the back, including a brand new 5x tetraprism zoom lens. The S24 Ultra boasts a versatile camera setup, including a high 200-megapixel primary sensor, 50-megapixel periscope, and 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and advanced AI enhancements. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the flexibility and innovation. Apple, known for its imaging prowess, offers a triple camera system with advanced computational photography. The night mode, deep fusion, and smart HDR contribute to stunning captures in various conditions. But in the video division, Samsung takes the cake with the capability of 8K at 30 FPS. Running on Android 14, the S24 Ultra provides a customizable and user-friendly interface. The integration with Google services enhances productivity and connectivity. While the iPhone 15 Pro Max operates on iOS 17, renowned for its seamless ecosystem integration. The fluid interface, timely updates, and the App Store's quality contribute to a cohesive user experience. With a robust 5000 mAh battery size, the S24 Ultra ensures longevity even with extensive usage. The Galaxy has the theoretical advantage over the iPhone 15 Pro Max with its 4421 mAh battery. The adaptive power-saving features optimize performance based on individual usage patterns. However, you definitely should not take the numbers and run only with them, as there are big differences between Android and iOS in optimization. Apple's optimization of hardware and software ensures efficient battery management. The iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers impressive battery life, making it a reliable companion throughout the day. This means that iOS is able to squeeze more out of the same battery size. Apart from all the showstoppers, yes, both smartphones come with water and dust resistance, providing durability and protection. With absolute 5G capabilities, ensuring high-speed connectivity. And of course, both devices support wireless charging, adding convenience to their impressive features. As we conclude our exploration of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra versus iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's evident that both devices bring remarkable features to the table. The decision boils down to individual preferences, brand loyalty, and specific requirements. Whether you lean towards the innovation of Samsung or the seamless ecosystem of Apple, both smartphones stand as powerful contenders in the ever-competitive market. But let us know, which one would you pick and why in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, as we plan to bring more such content. Thanks for watching.